Today we're going to be graphing absolute value functions. The first thing we'll be looking at is the general formula for an absolute value function. The first value that is in front of the absolute value is what I'm going to call the slope. Okay, it's not technically the slope because you're going up to the right and also up to the left, but it's the same idea as rise over run. The way to determine which direction your absolute value is going, okay, for the opening is a positive value in front will give you an opening of the up version, and a negative in front, so if this was a -2 for example, would turn the absolute value function upside down. Inside here is what determines the left and right movement of the function. A left will give you a positive value, a right a negative. So because this is a -3, this function will be moving 3 units to the right. The last number is what determines the up and down movement. Up will be positive, down will be negative. Because this is a +4, this will be moving up 4 units on the y-axis. Looking at an actual example, let's take this example here. I have absolute value of x plus 1 minus 2. Okay, so a couple of things to note. Again, I don't have anything written in front here, so this will be a slope of 1. Inside here, we see a +1, so that will be 1 left movement on the end. I am going down 2. Okay, these 2 points here are what make your vertex. So because I'm left 1, that would be -1, down 2 would give me -2. So when I go to actually graph this function, if I go left 1, down 2, that will be my vertex point. Remember, the vertex is the center of the graph. Because I have a slope of 1, I'm rising 1, moving 1 to the right. Then I'm again doing it to the other side, so I'm rising 1, moving 1 unit left, and then I can connect my 3 points together. Okay, absolute value functions always have 3 points and 2 arrows at the end. To complete one more example, the next problem that we'll be looking at will have a slope. This way we can see an example like that. So this time I have a 2 in front. We have x minus 3 on the inside and +4 on the outside. Okay, so we have a slope of 2 this time. Okay, when you think of slope, remember slope is rise over run, so you might want to think of this as 2 over 1. Okay, inside, -3 will give us right 3. Okay, so 3 units to the right. And outside we have +4, which means this function will be going up 4 units. When I go to graph, again, I am right 3, up 4, and right there will be my vertex. Now, here's what's different this time. This time we have a slope of 2, which means I need to rise 2 and run 1. So this time I'm going up 2 over 1, and then I will do the same on the other side. So again, I'm going up 2, right 1. Once you have your 3 points, you can connect them, and don't forget to put your arrows at the end. Okay, that's the end of our video.